Hello students, welcome to EduTech Karnataka YouTube channel. So the second model will start now, guys. So this video is mainly concerned for the how the questions will ask and how the answers will be there. So you have to note down the answers and you have to study the self study because of it is very simple. When you study the simple, then only you can understand. So that's why I'm giving the this notes, and if you need to screenshot, make a screenshot. I will give the perfect screen location. So also if you need then you can contact me also. Make a telegram channel, then I can upload the notes also. So we will start the second model. What are the five components of use and formally define a problem for problem? It's a very simple. We have to see the problem for problem. If you solve the problem, what are the important steps they asked in five components only. So first we have to initial state. First we consider the initial state, where to start and action. So how to operates actions, what we actions to take when the problem is there, what actions we should need to take, that's action state. And state space, this means the possible states of the reached applying the sequence of actions starting from the initial state. So initial state to where we have to stop the performance, that is the state space. And where need to achieve the goals, it is a goal state. Desired configuration or condition that agent is trying to reach. So the goal state where the problem is solved, that is the goal state. And path state means it is simple, which route we have to use, that is a path state. Path cost, now what is the 8 puzzle problem and how it is structured. So it is simple, guys. It is a 3 into 3 puzzle problem. You can ask in the problem also. It is just for a structure, how it works, and explain the simple words in the 8 puzzle problem. So it is given like this. So but if you in the Excel paper, they can ask problem also. So you have to study in the problem also. So guys, it is shows a 3 into 3 grid and puzzle. Find the artificial intelligence problem solving. It consists of 3 into 3 containing 8 numbers are there, total 8 numbers. 8 numbers are mentioned and 1 number is not mentioned. It is a empty space. The object is arranged as a tiles in a specific goal configuration and sliding them around. So empty space allowing to move, because of why given the empty space to move the numbers, that's a given. And 8 puzzle instance of shown in figure, the 3 into 3 board and 8 numbers has blank spaces, tiles and blank spaces. To tiles adjust the blank space, can slide into space. So the given space to adjust in the remaining numbers. So we have to first starting state. This is the numericals are randomly given, but if you see the goal state, they here has given the sequence state. They are correctly given. The first the number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here we can say starting state the randomly, and it is given, that is the starting state and goal state. Here explained, that is the states, initial state and actions and transmission and goal state and path cost. Each step cost 1. The path cost is the number of steps in the path. So number of steps, how can we take that, that is the path cost. Goal state, where we have to reach and which step is our need step, that is a goal test. Transmission model, how we are going the up and down on low, or that the transition, the traveling what's there, that is the transition model. Actions, the actions means that if we in the start state, then we can go for upper, the what the number is, the 3. If you see the 3, we can go for which number we have to go for. There here is a upper part is there, 4 is the 3 goes to 4 and 4 comes to what the blank space is there, then here comes to 4. That is the action state. And initial state is means the initial state in the normal state is there, that is the initial state. And the state is a normal idea about our image of given in the start state, that is the states. How does the breadth first search algorithm works? So guys, I will tell you before that it is just passing the question paper is given only 30% of questions only. So you have to pass the questions, and then if you pass the Excel paper, then you have to go for another some important questions also there in the textbooks. So if you have to refer textbooks also, if you need any textbooks, then contact me also. I will have a telegram channel, you can message me, I will upload the notes, and this what I am explaining the question paper, this is can also I can provide the question paper with answers also. So breadth first search, it is a very simple. The breadth first search is a algorithm is used to explore all possible states of nodes of problem space, particularly useful for finding a shortest path or solutions in the unweighted graph or tree. So you can explain the steps are given a breadth first search. First initialization, start the initial node. First we are going to start. If you see the graph, you are not given the graph, so we can see, you can study this. It is very simple, you can use the ChatGPT also. First we have to see the first initial state, then we have to start the expanding of nodes, that is the initialization. And exploration is not empty, a queen is not empty. Front node the explored, the goal node. Exploration means what the coming of numbers we can expand first in first out, like expanding the nodes, root nodes we are expanding, and we are searching for a goal node. When we get the goal node, we stops the exploration. So if we get the goal node, we can stop. The third number is the repeat. So if you're not getting the goal node, we have to exploring until the when getting the root node. That time we have to expanding the all root nodes also. That's repeating. If we get the goal node, we have to stop. We are not getting a goal node, then we have to repeat the until the process of decoding and exploring the neighbors until the find of the goal. So characteristics of BFS: level wise exploration and time complexity and space complexity. This is very important to mention in the exams also. Here is a given a small space. There is not given a diagram, so given a small diagram like a structure, given a sequence like. And also what is a iterative depending depth first search, and how does it function, same as how the given breadth first search, like this also given in the iterative depending first search, and how it is function. It is also very simple, guys. So it is a general strategy we can is a combination with a depth first tree search that finds the best depth limit. So it shows that not a depth first search, it is a depending on the first best depth limit. It goes on the sequences or column wise it goes. So it is a search for which is a best limit, and where it is to stop the searching for or exploring the root nodes. It is mainly defines that we where to stop and which is the best way to we are getting the goal node. It is shows that that is the main reason. And it is advantage and disadvantage very important, and also it is given a small formula, it is also important. So here given see this. So we can go for only first given A, second root nodes are B and C. We can go for first A. After completion of we are not getting a root node A, after going for B and C, not going for a B and in the B root nodes as E and F, we are going for B and C. Okay guys, so B and C, if you're not getting the root nodes, then we have to go for B's root nodes, what the EF or EF, and after the C's root nodes are given D and H. Like this limitations of sequences, like a column wise we are going. So that is a diagram.